Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel on Engineering Mathematics. In this video, we are going to see what is function of a matrix. In particularly, we are going to deal with the question how to find A raised to 50 matrix if the matrix A is given to us. So let us first discuss what is function of a matrix. There is no as such formal definition for function of a matrix, but let us understand it using some examples. If A is any square matrix, then we denote by phi of A the function of matrix A. For example, phi of A could be A raised to n for some n natural number, or E raised to A or tan A, etc. So these are some examples of function of a matrix. Now let us see how to find the matrix of function of a matrix. The method consists of following steps. Depending on the order of the matrix A, we define function of A as follows. If A is 2 cross 2 matrix, then we let phi of A as alpha 1A plus alpha naught I, where alpha 1 and alpha naught are unknown constants to be determined. A is the given matrix and I is the identity matrix whose order is same as order of A. Similarly, if A is of order 3 cross 3, then we let phi of A as alpha 2A square plus alpha 1A plus alpha naught I. Once again, alpha naught, alpha 1 and alpha 2 are unknown constants which are to be determined. And I is the identity matrix whose order is same as order of A. Now recall that since lambda is the eigenvalue of A, whichever equation is satisfied by A is also satisfied by lambda. So if we replace A by lambda here, still this equation holds. Now we see an example on this. Here question is to find A raised to 50 if A is this 2 cross 2 matrix. Now let us first of all find eigenvalues of this matrix A. Since A is upper triangular matrix, its eigenvalues are its diagonal elements, that is 1 and 2. So we write eigenvalues of A are 1 and 2. Also, since A is 2 cross 2 matrix, function of A can be written as phi of A is equal to A raised to 50, because we need to find A raised to 50 here. So function of A is A raised to 50 is equal to alpha 1A plus alpha naught I, where alpha naught and alpha 1 are unknown constants. Now we will replace A by lambda because lambda is characteristic value of A. So we will get equation lambda raised to 50 is equal to alpha 1 lambda plus alpha naught I. We label this equation as 1 and this equation as 2. Now we will substitute values of lambda. Here lambda takes values 1 and 2. So when we substitute lambda is equal to 1, this equation will become 1 raised to 50 is equal to alpha 1 into 1 plus alpha naught into 1, because eigenvalues of identity matrix are always 1. So our next equation is 1 raised to 50 is equal to alpha 1 plus alpha naught. Similarly, after substituting lambda is equal to 2 in equation number 2, we get 2 raised to 50 is equal to 2 into alpha 1 plus 1 into alpha naught. We label these two equations as equation number 3 and 4. Carry forwarding these equations on my next slide. Now we will solve these two equations simultaneously for the values of alpha 1 and alpha naught. In particularly, we will do equation number 4 minus equation number 3. So doing so, we get alpha 1 is equal to 2 raised to 50 minus 1 raised to 50, that is just 1. Now we substitute alpha 1 in equation number 3 to get value of alpha naught. So after solving equation number 3, we get alpha naught is equal to 2 minus 2 raised to 50. Now we have values of unknowns alpha naught and alpha 1. We will put them back in equation number 1. Let me recall, equation 1 was A raised to 50 is equal to alpha 1A plus alpha naught I, where A is the matrix 1, 3, 0, 2. Now simultaneously we will substitute values of alpha 1, alpha naught, matrix A and identity. So we get this. Carry forwarding this equation on my next slide, we have, now we simplify this right hand side. We will multiply this matrix by 2 raised to 50 minus 1 and this identity matrix by 2 minus 2 raised to 50 to get this. Now this is the simple algebra, that is addition of two matrices. So we have 2 raised to 50 minus 1 plus 2 minus 2 raised to 50 as the first row, first element of A raised to 50. Similarly, we will do the remaining calculations, and after simplifying we will get the matrix A raised to 50 as 1, 3 into 2 raised to 50 minus 1, 0 and 2 raised to 50. I hope you understood how to find A raised to 50 matrix from the given matrix A. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more such engineering mathematics videos. Please press the bell icon to have updated information about my videos.